Welcome to my channel. So today we're gonna play Froggy Part 2. Okay, I forgot to do Part 1 just now. I forgot to type Part 1. Just Yup, and I'm so
Hey!
we only want we're fighting for.
Hey!
What?
Doing, bro?
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12。We only want we're fighting for.
I have what?
You count lah.
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12。
1、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11。
12。Who's the first?
Darling, huh? You.
I love you.
Wherever you go, that's where I'll follow. Nobody promised to. That's so fast.
Hey!
The egg, then around. Okay, I can't eat or something. So, 1, 2,
3,
4, 5, 6,
7,
8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Alright, go. Darling, hyper darling, bro.
I already.
Chill, you're Filipino. You should speak Filipino. I could speak Filipino a bit. You still remember Bunga?
Yeah.
Sing it. Very loud. People want to hear ba?
And you go here. Go here.
I not believe you. Alright, God, please say it's not this one. Guys.
Angel.
Froggy!
Hello.
Hi guys, welcome back to my
yourself.
channel.
Angel.
Huh?
You display yourself.
Why?
Yourself also can ba?
Where are you going?
I do something.
Okay. Guys, take out this good.
What are you doing?
Okay. Darling,
Because I'm tired.
That's fast, man. Darling. When sino siya? Alright, step that this. Darling, kalau aku suka ikil mahihinto darling mo kalau na gusto ko giling wahihinto. Grabe, dali. Why you sit on my pillow?
I don't know.
You say you just want to see me play. La Boo Boo. It's La Boo Boo, bro. It's La Boo Boo. I have two La Boo Boo, but it's at my iPad. I can't take it out.
Where's
It's
it?
very hard.
Where's it?
Where is it? What?
Labubu.
What is this? And what's that on my iPad? I cannot take it out.
Hey! I have two more left, guys. Enjoy your turn.
It will pop. What? Huh? Not pop. Why?
What happened?
I know, right? Why are you not popping? I got an idea. I better do this. Okay.
How you just know?
This one. This one. Time to get to sleep first and wake up. That's what I thought. What? You? Papa Jesus, stop. I don't disturb that place because that place might be crazy. Don't be a monkey!
I'm not a monkey, bro.
Ganyan. How many seconds can I get this knife out, right? Hopefully 5 seconds. Faster, right? Yes. So that was logic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. What? What? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24! Ganyan. My squishy, guys. Go back to your little home. Ganyan. Wait. You try to spin it. I try to put the frog in.
Okay.
What is wrong with you? Ganyan. Sino siya? That's Abra. Yo! Chill!
Hey! Are you serious right now? Are you serious right now?
Bye guys, thank you for watching our video. Please don't forget to subscribe and like
Yeah.
and share.
Yeah.
Bye bye.
Bye.
See you.
See you.